In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a task as complete in Hubstaff. This is a very quick process, but it's important to do it the right way, so your task status updates properly, and your work is recorded as finished. Before you mark anything complete, make sure you have already started the task first. That part matters, because if the task hasn't been started, the finish option may not make sense in your workflow, or may not reflect your progress accurately. To begin, open the task you want to complete in Hubstaff. Take a moment to confirm that it's the correct task, especially if you're working on multiple assignments at the same time. It's always a good habit to double check before making any status changes, so you don't accidentally complete the wrong item. Once the task is open, make sure you've already clicked. Start earlier in the process. This tells Hubstaff that work on the task has begun. If you skip that and go straight to trying to finish the task, your tracking and task flow may not be as clean or accurate as expected. So, if needed, verify that the task was started before moving on. After that, simply click Finish. That action marks the task as complete. Once you do this, the task should no longer appear as something still in progress, which helps keep your workspace organized and makes it easier for you and your team to see what has already been completed. If you don't immediately notice a change, give the page a second to update or refresh if necessary. In most cases though, clicking Finish is all you need to do. This is a simple action, but it can make a big difference in keeping your task list accurate and up to date. As a helpful tip, try to mark tasks complete as soon as you're truly done with them, rather than waiting until much later. That way, your records stay current, your progress is easier to track, and there's less chance of forgetting which tasks are finished. And that's it. Open the task, make sure it was started, and then click Finish to mark it complete in Hubstaff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.